Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my closet with you guys. I'm going to be using the KonMari method, which includes taking everything out of my closet and putting it on my bed in a giant mountain, and I'm nervous, but I'm so excited because it is long overdue, and I want my closet to be back the way it used to be. Actually, I want it to be even more minimal than it used to be. I'm going to start by taking everything out of my dresser drawer and my closet, and then I will start decluttering. Let's go. Okay, so I'm midway through and I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. I'm actually finding it very easy to go through items, and just almost like touching them, I can make a decision really quickly. I think the trick to it is not dwelling too much on it, because if you dwell on it and you're like, oh, but this is practical, that sort of thing, like that's when you get stuck and that's when you stop. So I'm at a really good groove right now where I'm going through things really quickly, and the process is not supposed to be quick, it's supposed to take a very long time, but I've noticed that like my mindset is in the right place, and so it's easy for me to go through these items. I have gone through my entire dresser because everything that's left here is on a hanger, and so that tells me like I'm almost halfway through because I do have more hanging clothes, but I'm really happy with the results I have so far, and like my keep pile is almost as big as my toss, which is really good, but it's not necessarily like the idea of it. It's just to keep the things that really spark joy for you. Instead of talking you through every piece, because like I just have reasons that I can't really explain why I'm getting rid of them, and also you guys don't really care if I'm keeping like this white t-shirt over this one, but I'm going to almost give you an update if I get stuck on an item and just walk you through my thought process. And I thought that these little updates would be good in between, because then you guys can see like the process of how it's going versus just me like time-lapsing everything. I know you guys want to hear my thoughts on why I'm getting rid of them, and I will update you guys if I get stuck on an item or if I'm done. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, I will see you in a little bit. So mid through, this is my updated pile that I'm keeping, and this, I honestly can't even like look at it. Honestly, like, can I be any more juvenile? But it sparks so much joy for me, and it reminds me of Christmas morning, and I can't get rid of it. And on those days where I'm having like a fun PJ day in, like with friends or something like that, that's what I'll wear. Don't make fun of me. This is my keep pile right now. And then this is the pile that I'm getting rid of. It's not that big, but I also have a couple of items on top of my desk, and if I'm starting to dwell on an item, I will put it up here on top of my desk so that I can revisit it later versus slowing the whole process down. Okay, so I'm going to continue to go through this pile, and then I will update you in a little bit. for me to update you guys because there's literally nowhere to put my tripod. But it's been like 5 minutes since our last check-in and I finished that so quickly. I don't know what it is, but when I don't dwell on an item, I know, like subconsciously, I just know if it sparks joy for me or not. And the method works. Like, I am now done that entire pile on my bed. I just have my underwear and my bras to go through, but I'll go through that later. The pile of stuff that I'm keeping is overwhelming, but I love every one of these items and I wear them all the time, so I'm really excited to keep these and kind of put them back and make a spot for them. But the pile that I'm getting rid of is like, it's probably half the size of the stuff that I'm keeping. So that means like every third item I get rid of, and it's crazy. I'm really proud of myself for getting rid of all this stuff. And now time for the KonMari folding, what you guys might have been waiting for. I'm not too sure. Do you guys want to see what I got rid of? Okay, so this is the pile that I'm keeping. This is the pile of stuff I'm getting rid of up on my beds. You can really see it was kind of compact in there and squished, but now you can see how much I'm actually getting rid of, and it's really awesome and invigorating to see it all at once. And now I'm going to be putting all of this back in my closet. I share this closet with Wes, hence the mess to the left of all my clothes, but this is all of my blouses for work, and as you can see they're all color coded starting from white, and then my collection of black shirts, which is kind of getting out of hand. Another check-in. I cannot believe my closet looks like this. I have so much space in between hangers, which is key, and now all I have to do is put away my dress pants and my skirts and then fold up my sweaters, because I think I'm gonna put my sweaters in a bin like this instead of hanging them up because they're more casual and this is more like for work. So I'm going to continue on with pants and then I will show you how I fold the sweaters up. It's super easy to fold. You fold them in half, then you fold a little bit of the ankle up, and then you start rolling. So as you can see, all of my pants fit in perfectly from dark to light, from work to jeans, and it works out so well because I can see every single pair. Okay, so as you can see, these are all of my cozy sweaters right here, and it's really easy because you just kind of pop them out, and then even if I pull it out, it's not going to ruin the rest of the folding, so that's awesome. So it's been hours since I last checked in with you guys. I ended up going to the mall and donating the clothes that I already got rid of. I didn't buy any clothes, just putting that out there. I ended up buying a powder from Milk Makeup for my Best of Milk Makeup video. But I'm struggling with getting motivated again because I'm trying to find ways on how to organize my stuff. I have so many different items that I want to fold, but I don't really have the drawer space for them. Okay, so now that all of my sweaters have a home, I have a few like more formal sweaters in my drawer, and then I have my like sweatshirts in that little basket that you saw. So now comes the hard part. I have PJs, workout clothes, and basics left. Those are the 3 different categories, but I only have 2 drawers left. I still have another one of those baskets, but I use all 3 of these like pretty often, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. I think I'm gonna try and make them work into the 2 drawers, but I don't want to make it too crammed. I'm gonna start with my PJs, and then I will work onto the other categories just to see how much space I have in the drawer left over. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so now where I'm at is my complete dresser is full. I just have my underwear, bras, and socks to put back in there. But I do have a lot of extra clothes that haven't fit. So I have, this is the stuff you don't hear about KonMari because people get rid of stuff. But because I'm reorganizing my stuff, I don't know, maybe it's the folding or something, but I feel like I don't have enough space for my stuff anymore. And I got rid of a ton. So I'm not too sure how that's happening. I'm actually utilizing more shelf space in my closet, whereas I used to put like my necklaces there. I moved that, and now I have my sweatshirts and things like that. So I have bathing suits, basics, and leggings, but I'm still waiting to figure out where I can put them. Let's get folding. We did it. I survived, and I am now done decluttering my closet. I moved so many things around, so it's going to take me some time to get used to it, and I will probably adjust things as I go just because I need it to work for my everyday life, making sure that everything that I wear all the time is accessible. And yeah, I moved so much stuff. I'm not going to know where to find anything, but at least it's tidy. At least I've decluttered so much now, and I want to show you guys how many hangers I'm left with. Isn't that a lot? Look at all of these hangers that I didn't use. So I'm gonna keep them anyway because I like hoarding them. For my underwear drawer, I have 3 of these IKEA bins, which are super lightweight and really compact to like shove in a drawer. I have 1 for socks, 1 for underwear, and 1 for bras, and 3 of them fit perfectly. And then what I do is I keep like I keep 2 of them like a little bit spaced apart, and then that's where I put my belts. So I have a whole system going, and I'm not going to change that up. I will declutter a few things from there, like bras that I don't wear anymore and stuff like that. But I wanted to show you guys anyways what I do for my organization, because that has made a huge difference for me, making sure that everything has a little spot. And then even after I do laundry, I just toss it in the bin and don't really fold them. But it makes it easy, and I know where everything is, so that's what matters. I hope that you guys are still watching because this is an extremely long video, and I hope that editing didn't kill me. If I haven't done it already, if you guys want to see my bag declutter, then just let me know and I will do that video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching my declutter series and all your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!